Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Groves Police Department is searching for Jason Robertson, black, male, 4 years old, 3 foot 6 inches, 70 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing a gray Timberland shirt, black shorts, and has scars on arms, stomach, and legs. Police are looking for Blake Robertson, 34 years old, black, male, 6 foot 0 inches, 222 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and several tattoos on upper body in connection with his abduction. The suspect was last heard from in Groves, Texas,
and last seen wearing a gray Timberland shirt, black shorts, and has scars on arms, stomach, and legs. Police are looking for Blake Robertson, 34 years old, black, male, 6 foot 0 inches, 222 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and several tattoos on upper body in connection with his abduction. The suspect was last heard from in Groves, Texas at 4:50 p.m. on June 4th, 2022. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Groves Police Department at 409-722-4965. News media point of contact is Groves Police Department at 409-722-4965.